Hello friends, very good morning. This is Dr. Janardhan Pawar from TC College Baramati. Friends, in last 2-3 videos we have seen the meaning, the concept and various definitions of business communication. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about various objectives of business communication. Friends, as we people have seen the concept of business as well as the concept of communication separately, after that we have seen the combined concept of business communication in a different manner. Friends, after that we people have seen various definitions given by various authors about business communication. So now we are going to discuss in today's lecture about objectives of business communication. Behind every activity there are certain objectives. Whatever activities we are doing in our life, behind those activities definitely there are certain objectives, and I must say like this: behind every activity there is one objective, behind every task there is one objective. So as far as this business communication is concerned, when we talk about business communication and the importance of business communication in everywhere, definitely there are certain objectives behind business communication. In business there is a vital role of of communication. Without communication we even cannot imagine about the business. So when we think about the role of communication in business, at the same time we people have to go for various types of objectives which are there in the process of communication. So one by one I'm going to talk about the objectives of business communication. I will discuss with you all. At the same time I will explain those things in front of you guys. Friends, as far as these objectives of business communication are concerned, the first objective that we are going to discuss is giving information. See, the main objective of business communication or communication in business is what? To give information. As in business, there are different levels of employees, as there are different levels of managers. The main role of communication is what? To transfer the information from one employee to another employee, or from one department to another department. And this is what business communication is there. Friends, it means what? Every communication or the role of communication in business is what? Of giving information at various level, from various person, from one person to another person. And this is what communication is there. Another one, that is second one, pre-association. So this one is the another objective of communication. Here people go for a different kind of process, and communication is helpful to complete those process. So here we talk about the processes which are involved in the process of communication, and that is helpful to complete the process. And this is what we can say, this is one more objective of business communication. Then third one, conveying suggestions. See, there is another objective of business communication is to convey various suggestions. Suggestions are given from different levels. As I told you, there are three types of employees in business organization. There are three types of managements in business organization, and those three types of managements are top level management, middle level management and lower level managements. So see, mostly suggestions are given from different level. So suggestions, whatever suggestions are given by lower level management to middle level management to top level management, those can be conveyed by using this communication in business organization. It means, in other words, if you want to convey the suggestions given by various employees to the higher authority, this communication is also important in this case. So another and the fourth objective of business communication is advice. See, if you want to provide, if you want to give any advice to your boss, your officer or anyone else, this communication is playing very important role. How? Suppose I want to give one advice. Advice is not mandatory, still I want to give one advice. So in that case, communication chain is followed, communication is used for giving the advice. So if you want to give an advice, definitely communication is important in communication. Another one, motivation. See, motivation is one of the important tasks of communication. How? Motivation, what is motivation? Basically there are two types of motivations: financial motivations and non-financial motivations. Financial motivation means what? When we provide motivation in terms of money, it is called as what? financial motivation. And when we do not provide motivation in terms of money, it is called what other, or in other kind, or in other form of money, or other than money, it is called what non-financial motivations. In that case, promotions are given, sometimes appreciations are given, so that is called what non-financial motivations. And if you want to go for motivation, if you want to motivate the employees for the work, definitely communication is playing very important role. Basically, motivation is given by the higher authority to the lower authority. So this is what motivation is very important, and this is one of the objective of business communication. And when we motivate the people, definitely people will work very hard for the organization, and they will achieve the target. So every time that a particular officer or top level authority has to motivate the employees for better work, then only good or target is achieved. So this is what motivation is also important in case of communication. And that is what it is included, is one of the objectives of business communication. Moving on to the next one, that is training. Look at this, training is also important. Training is there for whom? Those who are freshers. If people or workers are not skilled, there are two types of workers, by the way: skilled worker and unskilled worker. If you want to skill unskilled worker, if you want to provide training to unskilled worker, no doubt training is must. So whatever freshers workers are employed in the organization, for them training is important. And whenever you organize a training, there is a role of communication, and that is what there is one of the objectives of this business communication, that is training. Training is given to the employees all the time, whenever changes are taken place, whenever there is a changes in the business pattern, whenever there is a change in product pattern, whenever there is a change in technology, training is must. So training is given, and if you want to provide a training, there should be a role of business communication or business or communication every time. So these are the objectives of business communication. Rest of the objectives we are going to see in another video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected.